All right, Danny, you understand the challenge, right? The challenge is to see if you get the seatbelt on. Right, okay.
What's the break then? What is the...
I don't think there is a break. I'll make you stop. All right, here you go. Get your bearings. All right, remember.
Don't lose your hat.
Don't hit the center beam.
Okay.
All right, you're driving now. Unassisted. You can do this. 1, 2,
No. Turn.
3,
Turn.
4,
No. Okay.
5,
I got it.
6, 7,
Slow down. Yeah.
8,
Okay.
9,
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
10, 11. Oh, 12, 13, 14,
Let's
15,
go.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right, 25.
Oh, no, that's bigger. It's a bigger area.
Okay. It's all good. It's all good. 26.
Somewhat. 26 and a half.
No, that's just still 26. Oh, 27. 28.
Just stay on the beam and then I won't hit the beam.
There you go. Now you're figuring it out.
Might not be centered, but it works.
Yeah.
It is very slow.
All right, go. Cindy. Look. You're okay. You're okay.
Straighten the wheel, no.
29. 30. Cancel.
Hey, cancel. Oh. Going. Yeah, this is exactly to go.
Yeah, we're doing good. We're beating them. You're doing a straight line.
Hey!
Everyone else is it, but you are. Uh-oh, can we get up to the... No. Okay, good. No, don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. That was almost a count. Oh, you're doing good. You're at 30.
Dan probably isn't even counting.
31. 32.
Whoa.
33. 34.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, don't front on the gas.
Almost done. Oh, 35.
I was trying that time.
Oh, that doesn't count. All right, 35. Not bad, 35. What's the number, Mom? 10. 10. Well, we're not gonna, we did so well, we're not going to tell you how much. 10.
I don't play racing games.
Oh, that's something's wrong there. 10.
How much you get
We don't need to worry about
Oh,
that.
yeah?
Yeah, we're all good.
Come on.
Well, see you next time.
You're the one that proposed to come on.
See you next time.
You're the one that's supposed to tell.
You have to get it from her.
All right.
10? That's not good.